Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you Emma Jo Felties monthly embroidery box. Now this one costs £6 including postage, so it's one of the best value ones for these sort of things out there at this moment in time. And in it, again, I've already started making some of the bits up so that I was ready to show you all. But for the £6, I've got this cute little tissue paper that came in. And you could reuse box as well, because like I said, there's no damage or anything like that on there. And it came with this super cute rabbit head with the matching heart-shaped leather felty. Now I attach my own ribbon, because like I said, I had plenty of ribbon, because obviously that is mainly what I do. But you got these two embroidery bits. And like I said, I've turned that into a bow holder. You got these three super cute, and obviously this one box is Easter theme, but you got these three snap clips in the Easter theme. So you got carrots, bunny heads, and peeps. So got those. This keyring came ready made with the grommet in itself. So again, that's also good value for money, because the bow holders, these kind of ones tend to cost about £2.50 to £3.50 a piece, and these are about 65p to like 75p piece, and this felty on its own would be about 65 to 70, so with the key fob attachment it'd take it up to sort of £1, £1.50ish mark. And then you also got these super cute Easter one. I like this like shiny pink bunny in the moon, this super cute happy Easter egg, a little bunny princess or queen, and this little bunny in the clouds. So it's really cute, and like I said, definitely good value for money. It launches every month at the beginning of the month for the £6, which like I said it includes a postage. Like I said, it's definitely good value for like little felties, and there's a different theme each month, so the next one's due out anytime soon. And like I said, it is definitely worth it, and like I said, there's always sort of a different variety of things that you wouldn't necessarily see different places, because like I said, people are mixing it up at the moment in the embroidery sort of felty world. But like I said, it was super cute, and like I said, great value for money for the £6 with the postage included. Thanks for watching. Bye.